Hi guys, I hope you're doing well, and as I've said in the previous video when we were doing the subframe, today we'll be replacing the upper wishbone. It's quite a simple process. The only problems that you might run into is simply relieving the ball joint from its place. Apart from that, it's quite easy. So first, of course, I will take the wheel off, and then I will take the plastic wheel liner just to make a little bit more space, and then we will get it from here. Taking off the wheel arch, and then the only things that say that we have to remove is, of course, this bolt for the upper wishbone, and then the anti-roll bar link over here, and then the one at the bottom that holds the fork of the shock absorber, and that would be it. Hurts. Okay. And now I will try to split it. So there are two ways. Just hit it with the hammer, which works. Or sometimes when they are used and the ball joints are not good anymore, they like to get stuck, so the better solution is to have like a ball joint remover, which I will show you in a minute. So this is our helping tool. Of course, with a ball joint splitter you have to be careful not to damage your boot, but yeah, this one is already to be, let's say, thrown away, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, so usually what I do is not just put only the stress on the ball joint splitter. I turn it a couple of rounds and then hit it with a hammer and then continue until this lets go. So let's see that in action. And now let's undo the anti-roll bar link, which is again a 17mm spanner. Let's see if it's not spinning, because they can spin. No, it's not. So then if they are spinning, you just have to put like a small Torx in here and it goes. But this one is not spinning, so that's good. And now usually you will have like issues with getting the anti-roll bar link off, because it's working under the angle. So the solution for that is just to jack the whole wheel assembly from this side up, so then it will straighten and you can take it off. It's off. Okay, there we have it. These here at the top, all of them are 17mm. You have to take it out of its fighting, but yeah, we are almost there. Okay, so the upper wishbone is off. As you can see, the ball joint is just like, I can move it with my little finger, so it's not good. This one, in comparison, it's much harder to move. And basically, let's undo this one, swap the new wishbone. Okay, that's enough. It's still loose, quite loose. So yeah, what you can also do when you shoot is clean them, because if they sit for a long time, they sometimes like to seize up. Like that. That's like a little bit of success. Okay guys, so now I will tighten up this long bolt, then here, then do the anti-roll bar, and when I put the car on the ground I will do this one, because this has to be tightened up when the car is fully loaded. Okay. More. Okay, and now we just put it back in its place like that. Now we go with the washer, then we go with the nut. And to be honest guys, this is done. This is how you replace upper wishbone on Alfa Romeo 156. Okay. One thing that I forgot to mention at the very beginning, so how to tell that the ball joint on the upper wishbone is shut on those cars. What you have to do basically is just take your hand, grab it just over the boot and this element to which the wishbone is attached to, and you just have to strongly pull it to yourself and then towards the car. Then if you feel anything, if you feel like any movement under your hand, that means that the ball joint is shut. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed or learned things, one thing or two. If not, that's okay, and see you on the next one.